have combination skin like me, so maybe you're a very oily T-zone, I handpicked a 3-step program, I guess it's four-step program, to get you started in professional skincare. And so let's talk about the cleanser. The Clean and Bright Cleanser, it's a lightly foaming cleanser that is pH balanced to the skin, so it's not going to be stripping and drying. It smells ever so lightly of geranium, which is a favorite. When I put this on clients in the treatment room, they're kind of like, okay, I haven't opened this yet. Let's get it pumping. They're like, oh my gosh, that smells so amazing. So there you have it. That's all you really need for the full face. This even takes off most of my eye makeup. Love this. You're going to do a double cleanse at night and once in the morning, because at night we want to do a double cleanse to actually get up all the makeup and all the sunscreen and all the stuff we put on during the day. And then that second cleanse will get deeper into the skin so that all your products absorb better. So after you've cleansed, what is step 2? Both day and night, you're going to want to do this step because vitamin C, your skin just uses it up, just loves some vitamin C. So the CB Botanicals, this is my brand. This is a triple C formula and that it's highly stable and lasts a long time. And so you're going to want to put about that much for your full face. You really need a dose of vitamin C morning and night to get the total effects of the brightening, the collagen synthesis, and the protecting. You know, it's like that apple that you always see that they'll put vitamin C on and one side has the vitamin C and the other one doesn't, and the one without it goes all brown. Right, we want to keep our apples apple color. Our third step is going to be the Neogenesis Light Moisturizer. This is a wonderful light formula from Neogenesis. It's got 5% of the S2RM technology, which is the stem cell releasing molecules. And so you'll get a good taste of like what all that can do for your skin. This is very light, smells ever so slightly of citrus. Love this, makes a great makeup base. And then once or twice a week, you're going to want to use your rescue enzyme. Also from my line, it is a papaya and pumpkin based enzyme. Clients love the smell of this as well. You can use this a couple different ways, but the easiest and best way to do it is to wash your face. And then the next step, you would put this all over in a light layer from hairline to breastbone. You want to get your neck, everything. Then you can wash it off. Make sure you get all the remnants off before you put on your skincare. That is the combination skin routine. It's very simple, very easy. You can use the rescue enzyme up to, I would say, 2 times a week just to get that nice exfoliating properties of the enzyme where it's going to eat off all those dead cells, but it will not eat live tissue. So it's not going to overly dry the skin, but it is a very effective exfoliation for combination skin. Love this.